Hi, welcome Poonam. So in this mock interview round, we are going to evaluate you for senior data engineer role. And the objective of this round is to evaluate you across bronze, silver, and gold layers, which is used by a senior data engineer while implementing for an enterprise data engineering project. Also, we are going to cover some basics of Databricks. Okay. So this is what we are going to evaluate. So let's get started with our first question. Allow me a minute before we get started.
Explain bronze, silver, and gold layers in Databricks Medallion architecture, including each layer's purpose and typical transformations.
So yes, so these are the three layers which Medallion structure have. So in the first layer, that is bronze. Basically, in this layer, we try to upload the data, CSV data, whatever the source is. We try to upload in the bronze, and we save the data in the schema and try to do the basic check. What are the data types and all? So after doing all this, we save all the CSV file in the data lake. So these are the steps we do in the bronze. So basically in bronze, we try to keep the source as it is without changing anything, without any transformation, so that going further, if there is any problem in other layer, we can easily trace back in the bronze layer. So that is the thing we do in the bronze. And after that, the silver layer comes. So basically in the silver layer, we try to do the business transformation, basically cleaning of data, checking the null value, deduplication, and try to check if there is any white space or anything. So in basically in this layer, we try to normalize the data according to our business needs. So these are the things we generally do in the silver, so that in this level the data is ready for further visualization and all. That is the thing we do in the silver layer. After that, in the gold layer, so basically in the gold layer, what we do is that after transformation, everything, we try to, the data is ready to be used for the business purpose. We try to do basic analysis or validation in the gold layer, checking how much net sale value is there, and we can easily use this data across the platform, and so that we can make a meaningful insight out of the gold layer. So there in the gold layer, there is no issue with the data. Everything is being taken care in the silver. So this is the three layer, and these are the three layer where each step we do, these are the transformation.
Okay, great. Let's get to the next question.
In Databricks, how would you validate data quality when moving records from bronze to silver, and which checks would you automate first?
So basically, while moving from bronze to silver, the first quality check I will do is I will take the row count. So whatever the row count which was there in the bronze layer, it is still in the silver. So I try to match that count. It is basically matching the count of source and target. So this is the first thing I will check, and after that I will check the data type. Right, basically a schema in the silver. Both data type is same in both the layer. So these are the check I will do in order to check the validity, this quality. And in the silver, in silver, I will try to check even if there is any null value, and if there is any negative value present. So these are the check I will do, and I will automate these things first.
Okay, sure. Let's get to the next one.
A silver table has duplicate and late arriving events. How would you design processing to ensure accurate gold aggregates in Databricks?
So if I come to know if there is a duplicate, I will first check without after doing any duplicate means treatment over the data. I will first try to take the original count of the table, how much row count is there, and I will check in the what are the column, whether it is a identical duplicate or just the value which is being repeated in 1 2 3 column. So these are the two check I will definitely do. If I come to know after doing that check, if I come to know the data is identical, straightforward, I can do the function drop duplication. So in this way, it will remove all the identical this rows. So these are the thing I will do so that the product is ready for the gold. So these are the check, and after doing this performance and check, I will again take the count after doing deduplication, that how much count is left. So these are the check I will do.
Okay, sure. Let's get to the next one.
In Databricks, how would you optimize gold layer tables for buy dashboards using partitioning, Z ordering, and delta caching?
I don't have much information about this question. Yeah, definitely I will read on this.
Okay, no problem. Let's get to the next one.
How would you design incremental bronze to gold pipelines in Databricks using Delta Lake features to handle schema evolution, retries, and idempotent processing?
Yeah, so again, I don't have much knowledge on this question, so I will read on this.
Okay, great. Let's get to the next one.
A gold dashboard shows inconsistent metrics after silver schema changes in Databricks. How would you troubleshoot root cause and prevent recurrence end to end?
So if I come to know that anything wrong in the gold data dashboard, so I will go to the I will go to the silver schema, and I will try to check what are the data types, and try to handle that data type in the silver schema only. And in this way, I will try to prevent in future if there is any problem. Yeah.
And recover a bronze, silver, gold pipeline in Databricks.
I don't have much knowledge on this. I will read on this.
Okay, great. Let's get to the next one.
When would you bypass silver and build a gold table directly from bronze in Databricks, and what trade-offs would you evaluate?
Sorry, I don't have much information on this also.
Okay,
I will read on this.
great. No issues. Let's get to the next one.
How would you choose batch versus streaming for bronze, silver, and gold in Databricks, and what operational trade-offs would you consider?
I don't have much knowledge about the streaming of all this there, so I will read on this.
Okay, no problem. Let's get to the next one.
How would you implement SCD type 2 in a silver table and propagate changes correctly to gold in Databricks?
Sorry, I don't have much knowledge on this also. I will read on this.
Okay. Let's get to the next one.
How would you use Databricks autoloader and checkpointing to build a reliable bronze ingestion pipeline? And what failures can still cause duplicates or data loss?
Sorry, I don't have much knowledge about the auto loader, so I will read on this.
Okay. Getting to the next question.
How would you design and monitor a Databricks Medallion pipeline to enforce SLAs, lineage, and cost control across bronze, silver, and gold layers?
Sorry, I don't have much knowledge on this also. I will read on this.
Okay. Let's take one last question.
Yeah.
How would you model and maintain a reusable conformed dimension in silver for multiple gold marks in Databricks, including keys, history, and update strategy?
So, basically in this, to achieve key history and update strategy, I will go with the incremental load. Instead of loading whole data set, I will try to load day wise. Means day one, what are the changes is happening, I will just update those things instead of loading whole table. It will save time in the processing. So this will be my strategy for updation strategy. Yeah.
Okay, sure. Okay, great.